Good day, pandas. Good day, pandas. Guys, I'm not happy. I'm very angry. I also need your to hear the side of yourselves, your comments. Actually, what are you saying about what is happening in UK Fortnite? Why are they changing the presenters? That's the only answer that I want to know. Why are they changing the presenters? Because our code was on point, but now they're changing the presenters. So we don't know what's happening now. We don't know what is happening. So we need to know why are they changing the presenters. Because now we end up also getting lost. If you can check the first code, 176. I even gave them the codes to see, but they're changing the present. Because this was a straight code, 146. I'm just saying this. If you add all these numbers, it's 18. What I said that times 36 times 2, it gave us a 36. Remember? And then you spin 9. So which means they took a 3 there, they took a 6, they took a 9, and then they took a 14 there. The reason why a 6 had 2 bonus, it was actually visible and it was all over the place. So we need at least for them to fix this presentation thing. We're not fighting, but we are putting comments as pandas because we are playing this game every day. So we need at least also on our side to know exactly what we are playing, because now we're getting confused. At the end of the day, it's like we don't know what we are doing, because this is not an easy job to predict numbers. You have to know your story, what you're doing. So we need a fair game whereby we predict. If we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. Look at this code. It was 6, 8, 7, 3. I even said split, because if it was Tony coming, if it was Helen coming, I would know that you know what, I'm going to split. But because I thought it's Tony, so I couldn't split. Anyway, what I did there, I said 6 plus 8. It gave me a 14. I said it there. And then 7 plus 3, it's a 10. So if it was Tony was going to add 14 plus 10, we give it 24. 24 was supposed to come. They didn't bring him. They said 2 plus 4. They give us a 6. Understand? So now we need exactly like to be sure. If I knew it was Helen, I was just going to take this code and play it, split, and hit that 4 numbers. But now we don't know. So please, I don't know how we can send the message to the UK Fortnite website and lay complaints that, guys, we are playing a game, we love it, but we're not happy about what we're seeing. Because when we check different websites, we will see that it's 20 both draws. Then in 10 minutes left, after maybe 2 o'clock, it's Helen. Already we've played. I've posted a video, people will follow. So in that way, it sounds not fair to us as Panthers. Please, if UK Fortnite get this message, can you please fix it and give us a correct presenter? We follow exactly what we see in the presenter, and then we know how to work out with these different presenters, so we can also benefit from your game. Because really, like today, I'm angry because the code is on point. I was sure that there's 5 numbers straight, and these 5 numbers they came, but the presenters tricked me. So I don't know who is coming on T. Is it Tony? Is it Helen? Or is Christy? I don't know. So I won't post for tea time. I just have to wait and see. You guys also don't play. If you're not sure, just wait and see, because we're not sure now. We can't lose vouchers during the day. We lose voucher on tea. We need to hit and boom. Thank you very much, guys. I also need to hear your comments. I'll answer them. Thank you very much.